Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for real, detailed reviews on the top tech and home products. Today, we're bringing you what might just be the best ceiling fan with light and remote control you can get your hands on in 2025. Say hello to the TCL 52-inch low-profile ceiling fan, a sleek, modern fan that packs functionality, smart features, and energy efficiency into a flush mount design. Let's dive in and see what makes this ceiling fan such a strong contender for the top spot. Right out of the box, the TCL ceiling fan impresses with its minimalist white finish and dual-tone reversible blades, one side black, the other walnut. It's a great fit for modern, rustic, or even industrial interior styles. With a flush mount design and just 8.26 inches in height, this fan is a lifesaver for rooms with low ceilings. Whether you're installing it in a bedroom, living room, office, or even a covered balcony or patio, it doesn't just blend in, it elevates the space. Now let's talk about functionality. This fan features a quiet, energy-saving DC motor that runs at under 35 decibels. That's whisper quiet, perfect for sleep, study, or work environments. The DC motor is also reversible, giving you the ability to switch from summer mode, where it pushes cool air downward, to winter mode, where it circulates warm air by reversing direction. It's not just comfortable, it's efficient all year round. The fan includes 5 blades and 6 speed settings. You can go from a gentle breeze to powerful air circulation with just a tap on the remote. That same remote also controls the integrated LED lighting, which is where things get really interesting. You get a 24-watt dimmable LED panel built right into the fan. It's customizable in brightness, from 10% to 100%, and you can switch between 3 color temperatures. And since you can control the fan and light separately, it truly adapts to your needs. Installation is simple thanks to the included instruction manual and setup video. Everything's clearly laid out. Even if you're not a DIY expert, getting this up and running shouldn't take more than an hour or two. Plus, being flush mount, it stays safe and secure even in more compact or low ceiling spaces. From a usability standpoint, this fan hits every note. The remote includes timer settings, independent light and fan control, and quick switch functionality between light colors and fan speeds. It's a truly smart ceiling fan, without needing any extra smart home integrations. In terms of value, the TCL ceiling fan strikes a great balance. You're getting premium materials, a quiet and powerful DC motor, LED lighting, reversible blades, and multi-speed control, all under a very competitive price point for the category. And while some fans require a wall panel or additional hardware, this one is completely controlled with just the included remote. If you're redesigning a modern bedroom, need better airflow in your living space, or just want a more energy-efficient way to stay cool and well-lit throughout the year, this TCL fan is a serious no-brainer. It looks great, works quietly, and gives you granular control over your comfort. And one last point, TCL backs this fan with reliable customer support. Their service team is available 24/7 to assist with any issues, setup help, or product guidance. That peace of mind definitely adds value when making a long-term purchase like this. To sum it all up, the TCL 52-inch ceiling fan with light and remote offers a powerful mix of function, design, and convenience. For those looking to upgrade their ceiling fan game in 2025, this might just be the best pick out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want us to review another product. See you in the next one.